In today's video, we will see basics of conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is one of my favorite tools in Excel. It makes our formats really very attractive and saves our lots of time. Conditional formatting is also known as magic of Excel. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. We will see how conditional formatting works. We will select all the marks. We'll go over here in conditional formatting and we'll click on drop down. Here we get options, highlight cell rules, greater than. We will click over here. Over here in extreme right hand side, we have to insert our figure. So in greater than, I'll put 80. I'll click over here on the drop down. We'll go in custom format. Here we get 4 options, number, font, border and fill. We will click on fill. Background color, we will select background color as green. We will do OK and again we will do OK. So all the marks which are above 80 got highlighted in green. We will leave it selected. We'll go in conditional formatting once again. Highlight cell rule, less than. We will click on this box. We will insert the figure as 40. We will click on the drop down, custom format, fill. We will click over here on background color and we'll select red as the background color. We'll do OK, OK. So all the marks which are below 40 got highlighted in red. So we covered 2 conditions, more than and less than. We will go in conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, between. Earlier we were getting just one option or just one box. This time we have got 2 boxes over here. Means we have to provide a range. So I'll take the range as 50 and 30. We'll click over here on the drop down. We'll go to custom format, fill, background color. We will select background color as blue. We'll do OK, OK. So all the marks which are between 50 and 30 got highlighted in blue. We will see the 4th condition now. We will go in conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to. Now we are going to highlight the number which will be equal to 76. I'll type 76 over here. We'll click on the drop down, custom format, fill, background color. I'll select as indigo. We'll go to font. We'll click over here on the color and we'll select the font color as yellow. We'll do OK, OK. So marks of 2 candidates got highlighted. To see the next condition, we will select this. We'll go in conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, text that contains. Over here we can type the full name or just a word of the name. I'll type A over here. We'll click on the drop down, custom format, fill. I'll select blue color from here. And let's see what result we are going to get. So all the names which has got B got highlighted. We will undo this. We will go in conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, text that contains. And this time we are going to type the name. We will type Dora. We'll click on the drop down, custom format, fill, and we will select blue color. We'll do OK, OK. So name of just one candidate got highlighted in blue. So this is how conditional formatting works. We have got many more rules over here, like a date occurring. When we will click on the drop down, we get many options like yesterday, today, tomorrow, in last 7 days, last week, this month, next month, last month, this month or next month. I'll cancel this. We will go in conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, and here we have got the option of duplicate values. In case any value will be getting repeated, it will be highlighted. Here we have got more rules. When we will click on the drop down, we have got various options. I'll cancel this. We'll go in conditional formatting. This time we will come in second rule. Top bottom rules. From here we can highlight top 10 items, top 10 percentage, bottom 10 items, bottom 10 percentage, above average and below average. Here we have got data bars. I'll select this. We'll go in conditional formatting, data bars, and I'll select a data bar. So you can see marks got highlighted as data bars. We will go in conditional formatting, color scales. From here color scales can be selected. Over here we have got option of icon sets. We can select icons also. If you want to clear the formatting, you will have to click over here, clear rules, and here we get two options. Clear rules from the selected cells or clear rules from the entire sheet. So I'll clear all the rules from the sheet. And all the conditional formatting got removed. So you will have to play with conditional formatting to learn more. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.